Hi, I'm Bobbi Jo Curty, founder of Grow with Bobbi Jo Services. My company is basically a virtual assistant services, but I owe all of everything I started out doing because of Proofread Anywhere. You know, I stumbled upon Caitlin through, I think, a blog post, and I saw some ads, and it just made me interested in like, wow, people can actually make money by doing something like proofreading. It's something I've done on the side for friends or enjoyed doing in school. And so once I dug into that, took the little workshop, got some emails, I jumped all in doing her course, and I haven't looked back. Like, thank God that I did the course, completed in 2018, started my business, started doing proofreading for clients, and I was able to find clients in random places like Craigslist. I found them through a local business that I knew, and then I found it through an agency. So I found clients in all different areas, and it made me realize that there's just this opportunity out there of services you can provide for people. So it actually prompted me to just dig deeper into other skills I could start to learn or things I was interested in. And so now basically I'm a virtual assistant, and I don't solely do proofreading, but I do offer it as just a service as part of what I do as a virtual assistant. So I would say that just honestly owe my beginning steps to Proofread Anywhere to Caitlin, because I've been able to quit my job. I work from home. I have flexibility, and I'm really happy with where I am today. And I think it just allowed me to get out of my comfort zone, allow me to see that I didn't have to be defined by the job I was doing. I didn't have to be defined by whatever I majored in college. You have a right and the ability to change your mind, change your career, and Proofread Anywhere was the thing that started me to do it. So I would encourage anyone who's just interested in just kind of tiptoeing into the waters of freelancing, check it out, do the free workshop, see if it's the right fit for you, and go from there. All right.